Hello. Are you thinking of opening a play school but wondering when I talk about investment of 5 lakh rupees, where does that investment go? Then watch this video and I will tell you which all areas would require your investment. My name is Amol Arora. I'm the managing director of Shamrock and Shamford Group of Schools. We are a chain of 650 preschools, primary schools, and 10 plus 2 schools spread across India, Nepal, and Bangladesh. The major investment in setting up a school is in the interiors. I would assume if you're opening a play school, then you already have the property, or you're going to be taking it on rent. So the cost of the property and the building is not included. The cost of interiors would mean first you would need to get it whitewashed, make it colorful and attractive for children, buy the furniture for the office, the air conditioners if required, the fans, cameras, RO water, the board. So these are the major heads. Toys, teaching aids are the areas where you would need to invest prior to launch. And then before launch, you will have to set aside a marketing budget for the local advertisement to create a buzz in the society that the school is coming up. So you have to make people aware of your school. And then on day one you may not have all the admissions, or you may not have sufficient admissions to cover your cost. No project works like this. Admissions happen one by one slowly. So for the first few months you will also need some working capital so that you can survive the first few months till you reach a break even. So that's the basic gist of, I could answer that in a short answer, where the investment goes and why I recommend you having about 5 lakh rupees. So if you're serious about opening a school, if you're thinking this is something that you may want to do once the schools reopen after COVID-19, then please fill up the form. I'm doing a special webinar on how to open a successful school post corona. Please attend that. I'll cover the area requirements, I'll cover the investment requirements for different kinds of school, whether it's a play school, a primary school, middle school, or a 10 plus 2 school. I'll also talk about the government approvals that are required for each of these schools. Also, I'll talk about how to be successful, how you can market your school, and when can you expect schools to open, and what will be the impact of COVID-19 on the way schools are run. So if these are the kind of questions you have, you are serious about opening a school, register yourself. It's absolutely free of cost. The webinar doesn't cost a single rupee. Please just fill in your details. One of my managers will call you and get you and give you the login details. So if you have any more questions, please ask them in the comments below. I'll try and answer them to the best of my abilities. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that whenever I put in a new video, you are the first one to be informed. With that, I wish you all the best in your dream project of setting up a school in your community. Good luck.